Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Lestari, and today we will conduct a simple experiment and analyze why it happens. Watch this video carefully. Okay, before we conduct the experiment, we need to know what reflection is, right? When a beam of light strikes a boundary surface separating two different mediums, such as the interface between air and glass, the energy of the light is reflected and transmitted through the second medium. The change in direction of the transmitted ray is called refraction. The mathematical formula that relates the angle of incidence and the angle of refraction for light or other wave passing through the boundary between two different isotropic mediums, such as air and glass, is called Snell's law. This law is expressed by the formula n1 times sin theta 1 equal n2 times sin theta 2. The normal on the surface is used to gauge the angles that the reflected ray creates at the contact point, and N1 and N2 are the two different mediums that will impact the reflection, while theta 1 is the angle of incidence and theta 2 is the angle of reflection. Okay, let's process with a simple experiment on the refraction of light using a piece of paper, a marker, and a glass filled with water. Okay, for the step 1, obtain a piece of paper and draw two arrows on it. Place one arrow near the top and another arrow near the bottom. Make the arrows point in the same direction. Like this, the arrow point in the same direction. Okay, now for the next step, slowly lower the paper behind the glass water. Look through the glass of water and observe what happens. Okay, like this. You can slowly lower the paper behind the glass of water. Yes, initially draw two arrows in the same direction, one above the other. Why does this happen? The scientific concept at work in the above experiment is called refraction, which means the bending of light. Refraction occurs when light moves from one medium to another, from air to water and from water to air. During the experiment, light travels from the image through the air, then through the glass of water into the water, and finally exits the glass of water and enters the air again before reaching our eyes. This means that light bends once when passing through the glass of water into the water and then bends again when exciting the glass of water into the air. As a result, the path of a light crosses and the image appears to be horizontally inverted, left or right flip. Okay, maybe that's enough from me, and you can try this simple experiment at home. You can learn more and understand what refraction is, another of refraction phenomenon, and the formula of Snell's law. Okay, maybe that's enough from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.